Hi, we're glad that you get to download Beyond Labs on your Chromebook. Let me walk you through how to do that. Open the Play Store, search for LACCD click on the link, click Install. Click Open. Now you have the chemistry program up and working. You can use it like this, but the labs are pretty small in the default way that they open on many Chromebooks. So if you don't like the way that looks and you don't want to deal with a lab that small, if you go down and you click onto your settings menu on Device, Internal Display, and you make it huge just for the specific app, and then minimize that, this will look bigger for you. And then you'll be able to go into the lab, manipulate, and do whatever you need to do with the different bottles and equipment. We hope this helps.